All right, you guys, this is Uncle P from Super Easy Forex, and I just want to do a quick video just to say thank you guys, everyone who attended the meeting today. We had hundreds and hundreds of people on, and so I just want to say thank you for attending the live meeting for the new scanner. You were able to see exactly how it works. I went step by step through it. I also showed you the new free indicator that you'll be getting along with it. As you can currently see, I'm using it on my account right now. I got 2 positions on this one here, but you can, if you attended the meeting, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But if not, I'm going to be posting the link in the description here of the recorded video so that you can see step by step how the scanner works, how it's going to help you with your trading, and the free indicator you're getting and the free strategy you're getting, and no extra cost, so that you can see how effective it is. And again, we had hundreds of people in here, and so some of them are part of Super Easy Forex, and so they've upgraded to get the scanner because they know how we trade, and it's going to lift a ton of burden off of you. Okay, it doesn't matter what strategy you use. It's not about your strategy. It's about once you're done doing your strategy, you know you have to wait for your setup. Oftentimes, what do? You have to keep coming back and checking your charts. With this scanner, it is highly adaptable to any trading style. You customize it the way you want, but I won't get into details. You can watch step by step, but also you're seeing this new free indicator that our team built. We worked very hard on this, and you can see that I'm in this trade here, and I'm up some pips. The market is pretty slow today, so not a whole lot of movement, but here goes another one, okay? And I show you guys step by step what I did and everything because I want you to be successful. I hid nothing, and there were hundreds of people in there, so there was no scheme in or from whatever you want to say. Bottom line is I showed everybody exactly everything, okay? Nothing hidden. I think the meeting lasts about an hour or so, so plenty of time for you to see every single thing from start to finish, okay? But I really do think that me and my team, we were able to put something together that's going to help a whole lot of traders around the world to finally get success. Because it's like in this business, success is so elusive. You understand what I'm saying? So we're consistently helping people around the world to now gain success in the Forex market, and I'm not stopping yet. So with the scanner, I mean, it's an absolute beast. I'm telling you, it revolutionized my trading. It made it so much easier. I can think of any strategy I wanted, set those currency pairs I wanted to watch it on, and boom. It didn't matter whether you're a trend trader, whether you're a counter trend trader, day trader, scalper. It doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. And that's outside of this indicator system and strategy. With this one here, I was very clear with them. I'm usually a swing trader, but last week the market was acting a fool. But I switched over to my strategy using this one and won 9 trades in a row last week. And as you can see, I'm taking a few trades right here. And so just waiting for them to play out. Here's another trade right here. Let me show you. I'm currently down 12 pips because it's towards the end of the day, 3 pips. It's just wiggling its behind around like it normally does. But if you attend the class and you see this, you know exactly why I took this trade and why I'm just hanging around and waiting patiently for it to play out. You already know exactly why because you attended. But again, if you didn't attend, don't worry about it. I'm about to post a link in the description here so that you can watch it for yourself. And if you want to take part, you'll have the link to join on our website. Okay? It's under other product. So anyway, I love you guys. Have a great day.